Okay, dude. We're off to a house to get a brain. Yeah, I got a brain. Also, what the fuck is that? What the frick is that thing? I can't see that piece of crap streetlight. Oh well. Ignore it. We're gonna go in there and get our brain. It's only a few miles away, so we'll be okay for now. Let's go and get that brain. Yay. Where the hell do we need to go? I don't even know, bruh. But let's just follow and see which door was the one that had the brain. I'm pretty sure it's the door that had its door. It had its door like wide open. There it is. Let's go. Dun. Here we are. Yeah! We're here now. Let's just start playing with the corn like I did last time. Oh well. Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh, it's obvious. Such here for the brains. I think it's coming from the kitchen. I never know. I'm going to be on the plate, near the plate already. So when it comes down, when the brain's here, yeah. Come on, I'm waiting. Hang on, I'm trying to find it. Doctor, can you move? I found something. Looks like a brain. Aha. Alright, idiots. It's been 10 episodes and it should have. But we are finally getting the brain. Now, let's eat. Oh my god, brain. I feel bored. Now that that's out the way, let's go and find a way out of here. I think over here? Yeah. I mean, it's just like... Ah! Hello, foolish mortals. To my mansion. Who are you? That's for me to know. Everything else I'll never find out. Whatever. This is gonna be easy. Huh. Alright. Come on, let's go. I'm out, right? Well, yeah. I'm out. Nice. Bye, everyone. I have to go now.